I'm back, and today this is a unboxing video on, you may be wondering, no, it's not sneakers. You may know I also do reviews on Funko Pop vinyl figures, and this is an unboxing video on a few of them that I just picked up today. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. I'll much appreciate the love and support. We can get to the goal of 200 subscribers. We can do it. And maybe even 300. But let's, keep subscribing. Just finesse the subscribe button below. Leave a like and a comment. Now, you may be wondering what, Funko Pops that are in here. It just says Funko right there. Now I'm pretty amped. We're having our first ever Comic-Con here in my city in March. Tickets are available right now, and then we're doing one that's going to be called, what was it called? I forgot the name, I don't remember, but we're doing another one this weekend actually. So tomorrow it starts at, at our university. And tickets are available right now to get. I think they're like $10 or something per person, or $10 a ticket. There will be vendors there, and you can buy whatever you want from there. So unfortunately, I can't go. I'll be, at work. But I heard that it's gonna be really good though. So maybe next time, maybe I can go to Comic-Con because I really want to. I've always wanted to. Yeah, it's going to be this Saturday and Sunday, but okay, finally, these managed to show up. I ordered them a while ago. Buddy of mine that actually, well, he doesn't work with me anymore. He actually owns a website that sells these, so I got them off of him. So sorry about that. My phone fell down. So like, he sells everything on his website. He sells pop vinyls. He sells anime stuff. He sells, like, let's say you want to do like medieval battle, like, stuff. You can get chainmail off of there. Like, he has everything. But I've always been into Mortal Kombat. I'm a 90s kid, so I grew up playing Mortal Kombat. I love Mortal Kombat. So I'll show you guys right now. There you guys go. These are all the ones that just released. They just came out with Katana, so I want that one too, but I'm not gonna go in any specific order, but so this one's probably, the first one that I went with. I love playing a Scorpion, so I was like, well, for a long time I was like, oh man, like Funko Pop didn't make any Mortal Kombat pop vinyls. And I actually messaged them directly, like I emailed them, and I was like, will you guys ever make any Mortal Kombat, Street Fighter, or Tekken pop vinyls? And they're like, we're not sure right now, but maybe something in the future. And then I saw on Instagram, because I'm following Funko Pop, and they said coming out soon, Mortal Kombat, Street Fighter, and Tekken pop vinyls. And I was like, oh shit, like, I was really amped. So yeah, like, they just came out with they're probably gonna come out with more pop vinyls. I really hope they make Goro, because Goro would be sweet, but right now they have this guy right here, Scorpion. So like, the details are actually pretty good on this. Actually does look like Scorpion. Then it says it says pop right here, then it says games because they do different lineups. They do games, they do movies, they do TV shows, they do all that, etc. And then it says Mortal Kombat right there. Then it has a dragon symbol. It's a scorpion down here. Then scorpion right there. Then it shows which ones are on the back. Now this is Scorpion from Mortal Kombat 10, the newest one. So it says Mortal Kombat X for that reason. So it says right there, Liu Kang, Sub-Zero, Scorpion, Katana, and Raiden. Then the next one is Sub-Zero. I like this guy too. I've played as all of these guys in Mortal Kombat before. I'd probably say that Sub-Zero is I'd probably say Scorpion's my favorite, but I also play from time to time as Sub-Zero, Liu Kang, like all of them. Details are really good on this one. Then let's take a look at Raiden right here. Now this is not Mortal Kombat, but you probably remember growing up watching this guy's show. He was always painting those pictures. I did, so I bought it. Then there's Liu Kang. Now I say this one sold out actually everywhere I was looking, but my buddy actually had it on his website and it sold out, and he told me, but it randomly restocked and he had only one left. So I was like, do you know what? Fuck it. I pulled the trigger. I ordered it on the spot and it came. So my buddy actually lives up island, but he like the other guy that works with me, he actually drove up to drove up island and picked them up and then brought them back for me. So there you guys go. It is Pennywise a clown from the movie It. Excuse me. So if you remember watching the movie It, I haven't seen the original It, but I watched the new one. I actually liked it. Like, it says Pennywise with boat. Now there's that popular quote that he has in the movie, "We all float down here." So because Georgie has this little boat and it goes, down into the, the gutter, like when it's raining. This is one fucking scary looking clown, like one creepy looking clown. Yeah, it says up here, Pop, It, and then it says Pennywise with boat. But that was my review for today, guys. Much love. Thanks for watching. Peace. I'm in, I'm out. Y'all be easy. Yo, take care. Please make sure to smash the fucking shit out of the subscribe button below. I'll much appreciate the love and support. Keep supporting. If you're already subscribed, I'll love you guys, even the new ones that are going to subscribe. Please keep supporting. Leave a subscribe, like, and a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Just follow me on all my social media platforms. We're gonna be doing big shit this year. I got some shit to take care of first. So yeah, like, it will take time. Like, if I take a break for a bit, like, I'm just letting you guys know. I will be. I'm gonna be starting school soon, so I won't be able to, make as frequent content. But please just be patient. But I will have unboxing videos for sneakers on the way. I will have, on foot reviews and all that stuff. And I'll, like I said, I will be updating my content. I will be doing, thumbnails, soundtracks, etc. So that was my video today, guys. Much love. Now I'm just gonna do a thumbnail for this video. No, wait. There we go. Peace. I'm out. Enjoy the rest of your night. Take care, guys. Love you.